Want to start your year with smoother skin and fewer mystery ingredients? Let's make a body butter that's simple, natural, and just feels really good. Hey, I'm Katie from Simply Earth. We're making the Smooth Start Body Butter, a creamy, nourishing blend that's all about giving your skin a fresh start for the new year. Winter can make our skin feel tight and dull, but this recipe is rich, soft, and melts right in without that greasy, heavy feeling some lotions have. Here's what you'll need to make it. 1 tablespoon shea butter, which is rich in vitamins A and E. It deeply moisturizes and helps protect dry winter skin. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil softens and seals in moisture, giving the body butter that silky feel. 1 tablespoon of almond oil. This adds light hydration so it melts beautifully into your skin instead of just sitting on top. We're also going to add a ½ teaspoon of stearic acid to give it structure. 4 drops of Fit Essential Oil Blend adds a fresh, energizing aroma that helps you start your day feeling focused. 3 drops of Blood Orange Essential Oil, bright, citrusy, and uplifting, perfect for a little mood boost. And you'll also need a 2-ounce jar to store it in. Let's make it. First, create an ice bath by adding ice to a large bowl. Set it aside. In a heat-safe bowl in the microwave using 30-second intervals, or you can do this in the double boiler, melt the shea butter, coconut oil, and stearic acid. Remove it from the heat and stir in 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Place the container into the ice bath to cool. Once the edges of your body butter start to cool, add the essential oils and stir. Let it cool a little longer until the mixture is opaque at the edges and solid, but still soft in the center. Then whip it using a spoon or hand mixer until it becomes light and creamy. Scoop the body butter into a 2-ounce jar and label it. To use, apply to arms, legs, or any dry areas after a shower or workout for skin that feels smooth and refreshed. Tip: this body butter may firm up over time, especially in cooler rooms. Just scoop out a little and let it soften in your hands before applying. Pretty simple, right? And this is just one of the recipes inside the January Simply Earth recipe box. You get the oils, recipes, and guidance to create natural body care at home without wondering what's in your products. Let's test it out. Oh wow, this feels so soft, it melts right into the skin and leaves it smooth and not greasy. The scent is bright and fresh, citrusy with a little bit of energy from that Fit blend. I've used this after a shower or before bed when my skin needs extra care. If you want to make the Smooth Start Body Butter, it's inside the January Simply Earth recipe box. You can also grab the ingredients at simplyearth.com. Try it at home and share your version using #IMadeThis. Take care of your skin and give yourself a smooth start. See you in the next DIY.